Okay, what I love about Halloween is that you can get as complicated or as low-key as you want. As you can see, I went super DIY with my skeleton costume. But if you want some makeup to complete the look, I need to complete mine here. With us now on Hello Rose City is Celena Rubin with the Art of Makeup School, located right here in the Portland area. Hi.
Hi.
So thank you for being here. I look fantastic. We did this right before the show, took you like 20 minutes. Tell people briefly what you did to get started.
Well, I started with a cream Krylon white clown makeup base, and then I went in with sort of, I like to think of it as sort of shapes, like more like rectangles or ovals on the eyes. The more ovally, the more demonic it looks. These long triangles on the cheeks for contour, and then I did a little bit of shading on the mouth before I painted on the white teeth with a water-based cake makeup. This one is Fusion. The black creams is also Krylon, and that's it, just black and white. That's all I did.
Okay.
And I used 2 brushes, and I used a sponge, some water, and powder, and that's all.
Awesome. Well, let's do the finishing touches because, yeah, although it does look creepy without the nose because we
need a nose,
but we need a nose. So, yeah, I mean, masks are such a great alternative. I'm sorry, makeup is such a great alternative to masks, right?
Yes.
You want to get your kids out there, but they can still see what's going on.
Yeah, masks are always hard to breathe in, too.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just throw a nose on you because you can't be a skeleton without the nose.
Mm-hmm.
And so I like to think of that as sort of more of a teardrop shape, but at the top it's going to be kind of bony and uneven because it's a jagged.
I know. We hear some
I'm
creeping.
getting scared already.
I think someone's trying to scare us.
I hear.
But now we're braced for it, so it's not going to be as scary.
Well, you're the scary one, so maybe you can scare them away.
Ooh, trick or treat!
Oh.
Oh.
Awesome. Wow, this is a generous.
Oh, you got a good one.
I got a good one.
Oh.
Thank you, monster.
Yeah. That was a fun little interruption.
No, I heard something.
Yes.
It was scary. If I go to a haunted house, I'm definitely the person who screams bloody murder.
Oh, totally. Or you're like, I close my eyes and then just grab onto the person in front of me.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so here's a nose.
Awesome.
And then if you guys want to do some cracks, we can
Yes.
do that. I just creating kind of like a squiggly line. There's one crack. It's very scary. And
Well,
we'll do one more.
This is great, and again, super easy if you need a last-minute thing to do while you're taking the kids out trick-or-treating tonight, or again, for your children. But while you're finishing up, tell us more about the Art of Makeup School.
This is the scary furrow brow.
She's so focused. She's like, no.
I know, I'm like,
complete my masterpiece.
yes.
Ooh.
Very scary. So the Art of Makeup School, we do have a special effects program where we do like really over-the-top creature transformations and monsters and things like that. But we're also a beauty makeup school, so we have like a fashion makeup artistry program starting in January. We have some fun workshops all the time. So we have a drag makeup workshop coming up on November 12th. We do a drag show, like competition.
Wow.
They get to, like, we make a runway. It's really fun. And then December 3rd, we have a bridal makeup workshop. And then January 3rd starts our fashion makeup artistry program. But right now we have our special effects program happening.
Yeah, because that's kind of what you're really known for, right? The special effects aspect.
Well, we're the only school in the whole Pacific Northwest that has a program like this. That
Very
we
cool.
offer, yeah.
Very cool. But you mentioned weddings. I mean, you do everyday makeup as well, not just big special effects or Halloween makeup, right?
We have bridal makeup workshops.
Okay.
We're not like a cosmetology school with a salon where people come, but we do have like a job board where people will call us and need graduates for different projects. So we email it out, these opportunities. So we continue to give them jobs and mentorship so they can continue on their path of actually working as a makeup artist.
Awesome. Well, thank you for transforming me. One more time, if you want to give the information about where people can find you, if they want more information on those workshops you've got coming up, what's your website?
It is artofmakeup.com, and all the information is on our website.
Celena Rubin, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Very impressive. All right.